Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Welcome back to the vlog. I want to thank you so much for hitting that play button today. If you're stopping in for the very first time, my name is Chuck, and I am a local LTL driver for Estes Express here in the great city of Tulsa, Oklahoma. I had said a couple videos ago, shout out 195, and somebody said, well, what's that reference to? That's our terminal number, 195. So if there's anybody out there that you know, guys will say, I'm from Terminal 184, which is a shout out to boys down there in Fort Worth and ladies down there in Fort Worth. There's actually got a lady P&D driver. I think they may have two. Or maybe 089. You can't say just 89. You got to say the 089. Boys down there in the Dallas area. But yeah, that's what that's referenced to if I ever say shout out to the 195. That's where we're coming from. We are starting our first run of the day. It is about 6:35 in the morning. I got the terminal about 6:15, a little less than 6:15. Pre-trip on the truck, check out the trailer. I've got 3 stops on this one. I'm gonna probably be there a couple of hours, because if you guys remember in the last maybe 3 videos ago, I went to this distribution place and I walked in and I had 6 pallets, and that 6 pallets became like 18 pallets. It's crazy because I have to down stack everything because they don't put everything on one pallet. Like they may have 5 different types of corn nuts on one pallet. Well, that's got to become 5 pallets. So I have them today, and the fun and the joyful thought is that today I have 9 skids for them, and just from what I could see, yeah, that's probably going to be like 25 pallets. So good times ahead for me this morning. Going to get my cardio in, going to get my workout in. But the first place I'm headed to next, the first one's only got 1 pallet, the second one's got 1 pallet, and the rest of the trailers for that distribution center. But again, want to keep shouting out everybody for sending in pictures of their trucks. If you are a CDL driver, or maybe you drive a straight van, Class B license, make sure you send in a picture of your truck. All right, we're pulling up to the first place right here. They've got kind of a pretty aggressive downgrade here, to say the least. Turn the 4-ways on. I usually try to go in this door right here. If she doesn't, well, no, we're not going to do that. She's got that door down. It's a lady in here. A lot of times she has that down. That means she doesn't want you parking there. So we're going to go right here next to this AAA Cooper. Now with this one, you got to want to try to take it at an angle a little bit, because it is so steep. Got past the initial piece. There we go. Look at that. Look at there. Look at there, guys. Ladies and gents, we put that right on there, didn't we? We sure did. Check this side out. Yep, we good. There we go. Like a champ. Just like a champ. Y'all guys may see, Chuck, you got a check engine light on there. That's a sensor that's bad on it, and it's not hurting anything. It's just, you know, when you get a truck that's got darn near 800,000 miles on it, it's like anything else. It's going to start having some problems as it gets older. And of course, right now we're living in a world of shortages. And so that part is on order, but it may be a while before it gets here. Usually they'll have this door propped open, and they don't this morning. She may not be here, so. one. Looked like a little light this morning. That's good.
2 full trucks.
Oh, did you? Y'all guys do some serious paper.
Ridiculous.
Man. Have a good Wednesday. This place sells about everything, and they ship it all over the country. Paper, Clorox wipes, pretty much like just an office. They're like an office depot type place, but. Alright, we're out here doing some deliveries. Just a gorgeous day. Look at them old wildflowers out there. Don't worry, I'm looking down the road. I just got the app pointed that way. Chuck, look at the road, look at the road. I am looking at the road, don't worry. Going to this place here, got like, I don't know, quite a few pallets for them. Hopefully that wind isn't blowing, but it's such a beautiful day. You just gotta let this cool breeze blow in here. This place deals with tires. And they've got every size tire, every make and model tire. You name it, it's here. So we're gonna get backed in, and I'm gonna take you in here with me. We got a whole load of trailers right there. Or that trailer was loaded down with tires. All these docks that you see on the front are people that are picking up their on the back side is where they get their deliveries. They only have, I believe it's only 3 doors back here. Hit about 13 or 14, or 14 or 15. Because sometimes they have, actually there's another truck down in there. I just now seen a guy get into it a little shorter, probably a pup, something like that. Alright, there comes our old Dominion driver out of there. Me all night.
All the tires?
Yeah.
All the tires?
Yeah. Big tire. I think there's 3, 4 more in there.
six too?
Yeah. There you go. Y'all have a good day. Well guys, it's probably kind of windy out here, I don't know. Well guys, I think that's going to do it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed the content. If you do, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Keep sending in your photos of your trucks and we'll keep sharing those at the end. But guys, until I see you at the next video, I hope each and every one of you have a blessed rest of your day. And remember this, life is truly short. Make sure you make it sweet.
Hindsight is fleeting when your heart